should you shoot for free? That's one question a lot of beginners are asking on the internet, and even we'll meet them in person, that shooting for free, is it a good idea or a bad idea? Now, this video will be talking about the emotional side of it and also logical side of it. Now, doing the shoot for free is very sensitive. So beginners and even the photography world, also the creative world, there is a yes and a no answer. If you shoot for free, the possibility of you losing that client when you charge is high. And if you ask for money without the portfolio, the possibility of you losing that client is also high. Say it that way. Shoot for free, want to get paid for it, client might leave you. Want to get paid for it before doing it, client might leave you. I would advise you to look at what you can gain from the shoot. What is your return on investment? What is your value from the shoot? I would tell you to do a free shoot or not do a free shoot. I've done a lot of free shoots. Some paid off, some did at all. But some free shoots I did changed my life. They changed my photography career for me. They changed who I am today. Those free shoots opened doors for me, paved the way for me. Some free shoots, and some of it I regretted till today. Now, that's the thing about being a creative. You don't really know which shoot is good or bad. But what I would say is, ask yourself, what is your return on investment? What is your value? What are you gaining from the shoot? For example, if a brand reach out to you to shoot a project for them and they're like, you know what, we don't have much money with us, we can only pay for this, that, can you come and shoot for us? Let's do like a collaboration. The thing is this, if that brand is in line with what you want to achieve, like down the lane, you can do that shoot for free. Remember I said, if it's in line. For example, I'll be a wedding photographer and a bridal business reaches out to me telling me that they want me to come on a job like collaboration type of thing. Now, I'll look at it this way. Is this going to show me as a wedding photographer? Will this give me the leverage I need? Now, if it does, I will do it. If it does. If it doesn't, I won't do it. If you call me for a beauty shoot, I also do weddings. It does not align with weddings, so I'll reject it. When you do that bridal shoot with a bridal gown, you have to find a way to take pictures to attract and showcase your skill. Give them what they want. So if they want just a well-lit bridal image, give them that. If it's too light set up, do your thing, get them the pictures they need, and you're good. When you are doing that, also take out time to create the pictures you want to show on your page. If the business wants just a plain background, why not do it for them? Also carry your own lights along, do some more creativity, just show what you want. Give the brand what they want, and you create what you want. And when you're done with that, you make sure that you do what? Make sure that you are ready for promotion. Yes, you can do Instagram advert, you can do Facebook advert. Make sure you achieve the best from the shoot. You can do a shoot for free and not achieve anything if you don't know the value you're getting from that shoot. If it's going to be a portrait shoot for someone, ask yourself, what do I gain from this? I've done some shoots for free, and when I increased my price, they came back and they paid me. The main thing is value, and the main thing is also the relationship you have with them when you're working with them. How do you treat people? So if I'm working with you and I'm cool with you, we're happy, I can tell you for a fact that if the budget is good enough, you would come back to me. And sometimes it might be that what they want presently, you're not yet there, so they might not come back to you. Let's say they want someone that is very popular and you're not popular. They'll give the other person the job, definitely, because you're not yet popular. But that does not stop you from achieving your goal. That does not stop you from creating a portfolio. You can use free jobs to create value. Use free jobs to create a portfolio to show people that this is what I can do. You need to be able to show people that this is what I can do. And when paid jobs comes in, you can actually create this same set of pictures. You know, your light setup, you know, your settings, everything, the posing. You can recreate it at a paid shoot, but you need a free shoot, portfolio building shoot, to be able to master these things. You can't come into the game without the portfolio right now. It is so hard. So my advice for you is that if you're going to do a free shoot, yes, free shoots are also good. Free shoots are amazing if you have value from them, if they can create value for you. Note that if the free shoot would help you attract the clients you need, if the free shoot would help you create the portfolio you need, definitely I will say give it a try. Yes, free shoot, give it a try. So you want to do a free shoot for a better makeup artist and the makeup is bad, that is not a good investment. Model is not good enough, that's not a good investment. The outfit is not good enough, that's not a good investment. It's not. If everything aligns well, good makeup artist, good outfit, good model, why not? Give it a try. Have fun, create amazing pictures and put it on the web, put it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Show what you can do. Also remember that when paid gig comes, they might not recommend you. It's fine. It's fine. That's why I'm saying that you know the value you're getting out from that free shoot. Free clients might not be your paying clients. Our paying clients will definitely not be free clients. Just stay creative. And remember to like, share the video if it was impactful for you. You're able to like motivate you to an extent. And stay blessed and keep clicking, guys. Stay creative.